Assalamu alaikum student. Today's topic is unit number 6, and from unit number 6 today we will do paragraph translation and paragraph comprehension along with application, which is urgent piece of work. Now coming to the first paragraph, which we have to idiomatically translate it. Every year Nasiruddin Day is celebrated in Turkey with great pomp and show. The age in which he lived is not exactly known. There are even doubts about the country of his birth. The Iranians claim that he was an Iranian. The Turks have their own claim. The latest claim is that of Russians, who say that he was born in Bukhara. Whatever his place of birth and nationality might have been, the fact remains that his anecdotes are famous all over the world. So, your paragraph starts with every year Nasiruddin and it ends at over the world. Now coming to paragraph translation into Urdu, you have to write down your paragraph shortly. Every year Nasiruddin, then you have to put some dots and complete it with all over the world. Now coming to idiomatic translation. हर साल योम नसीरुद्दीन तुर्की में बहुत शान शौकत से मनाया जाता है। उस ज़माने के बारे में सही मालूम नहीं जिसमें वो रहता था, हत्ता कि उसकी पैदाइश जिस मुल्क में हुई उसके बारे में भी शुबहात हैं। ईरानियों का दावा है कि वो ईरानी था, तुर्कों का अपना दावा है, आखिरी दावा रूसियों का है जो कहते हैं कि वो बुखारा में पैदा हुआ था। उसकी जाए पैदाइश और कौमियत जो भी हो, हकीकत ये है कि उसकी कहानियाँ सारी दुनिया में मशहूर हैं। Now coming to second paragraph, which is, someone asked Nasiruddin about his age. He answered, 3 years older than my brother. How? The man asked. My brother told someone that I was 2 years older than him, since 1 year has passed when he said that. It means that now I am 3 years older than him. If I grow at this rate, I shall soon be his grandfather. So this is your paragraph which you have to translate. So you have to write down your paragraph shortly. Someone asked Nasiruddin and you have to put some dots. After you have to write it, soon be his grandfather. किसी ने नसीरुद्दीन से उसकी उम्र के बारे में पूछा। उसने जवाब दिया, अपने भाई से 3 साल बड़ा हूँ। उस आदमी ने पूछा, कैसे? मेरे भाई ने किसी को बताया कि मैं उससे 2 साल बड़ा हूँ। चूँकि इस बात को कहे 1 साल गुजर चुका है, इसका मतलब ये होता है कि मैं उससे 3 साल बड़ा हूँ। अगर मैं इस शरह या इस रफ्तार से बढ़ता रहा तो बहुत जल्द उसका दादा बन जाऊँगा। Now coming to paragraph translation. So your paragraph is taken. First paragraph of Nasiruddin is taken for comprehension. So we have to write it shortly. Every year Nasiruddin, and it ended with published in England. Now coming to questions. First question is, when does Turkey celebrate Nasiruddin Day? तुर्की में योम नसीरुद्दीन कब मनाया जाता है? टर्की सेलिब्रेट्स नसीरुद्दीन डे एवरी ईयर. हर साल तुर्की में योम नसीरुद्दीन मनाया जाता है. When was नसीरुद्दीन born? नसीरुद्दीन कब पैदा हुआ? It is not known exactly when Nasiruddin was born. इसके बारे में सही तौर पर मालूम नहीं कि वो कब पैदा हुआ. Why do the Russians claim that Nasiruddin was a Russian? रूसी इस बात का दावा क्यों करते हैं कि वो एक रूसी था? Russians claim that Nasiruddin was a Russian because they say that he was born in Bukhara. Bukhara is a city of Russia. रूसी इस बात का दावा करते हैं कि नसीरुद्दीन रूस के एक शहर बुखारा में पैदा हुआ था. What are famous all over the world? दुनिया में क्या चीज़ मशहूर है? The anecdotes of Nasiruddin are famous all over the world. Anecdote means, the spelling of anecdote is ANECDOTES, anecdotes. And the meaning of word anecdotes is short, funny stories. Question number 5. What has England published? इंग्लैंड ने क्या चीज़ शाया की? इंग्लैंड हैज़ पब्लिश्ड सेवरल वॉल्यूम्स ऑफ स्टोरीज अबाउट नसीरुद्दीन. इंग्लैंड ने नसीरुद्दीन की बहुत सारी कहानियों की बहुत सारी जिल्दें, सेवरल वॉल्यूम्स, कहानियों की बहुत सारी जिल्दें शाया की, अ सीरीज ऑफ वॉल्यूम. Now coming to application. Application for urgent piece of work. Again, I'll tell you that you have to be very specific about putting your punctuations. So you have to draw your margin line and you have to write along with your margin line the principal T capital and the principal P capital. You have to write A, B, C in capital words followed by comma. Now coming to Peshawar, P capital followed by full stop. So till now we have put 3 punctuation, comma, comma and full stop. Leave one line, then write subject. Subject of application is application for urgent piece of work. Leave one line and then start your writing with along with margin line. You have to write respected madam, R capital and madam M capital along with comma. With due respect, it is stated that my brother had a major road accident. He is admitted in hospital and his condition is really critical. As, comma, he is the only brother of mine, comma, I have to go as soon as possible. Next line, I request you to kindly grant me leave for 2 days, comma, as I have to travel out of station. Next line, I shall be extremely obliged to you. Next line, thanking you so much. Leave one line, then write down your obedient student, XYZ capital, dated 29th July, comma, 2020. Now coming to difficult words. With due respect, it is stated that my brother had a major road accident. A major road accident, बहुत बड़ा हादसा पेश आया है, बहुत बड़ा रोड एक्सीडेंट हुआ है. He is admitted in hospital, हॉस्पिटल में दाखिल है. His condition is really critical. उनकी हालत बहुत critical, तशवीशनाक है, नाजुक है, crucial. As he is the only brother of mine, वो मेरा एक ही भाई है. I have to go as soon as possible. मुझे जल्द ही उसके पास जाना होगा. I request you to kindly grant me leave for 2 days. 2 days, why 2 days? As I have to travel out of station. I have to travel out of station means from one city to another city. So it is called out of station. I shall be extremely obliged to you. Out of station means not in your own city. You have to travel to another city. I shall be extremely obliged. Obliged means ehsanmand hona. I shall be extremely obliged to you, thanking you so much. Your obedient student. Students, your today's activity is you have to write down paragraph translation and paragraph comprehension into your notebook. Thank you.